Surya Namaskara, part second. Hello students, today we are going to learn how to do the Surya Namaskara with breath awareness. Very simple rules to remember is in Surya Namaskara. During all the backward bends, when your chest is open, your lungs can expand to then maximum capacity is always inhale in all the way forward bends when your chest contract your even abdomen contract, you exhale, inhale. As you exhale, you bring both the palms together. As you inhale, straight the arms up and arch back and exhale. Then forward and come all the way down. Inhale, take the right leg back, chin up, hold the breath. Take the other leg back into a straight line. In exhale, drop the knees, slide, chest down, chin down. Inhale, slide the chest forward. Chest is nice and open. Exhale, come into an inverted V. Inhale, bring the right leg all the way forward. Exhale, bring the other leg forward, stretching down completely. Inhale, let then forward chest open and arch and exhale. Relief, come the left side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and arch. Exhale, stretch forward and down. Inhale, taking the left leg back. Retain the left leg slant. Exhale, knees down, chest, chin down. Inhale, slide the chest forward. Exhale, coming into an inverted V. Inhale, bringing that left leg all the way forward. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, lean then forward and when arch back and exhale. Relief. Now I am going to tell what are the 12 position names. First position is Namaskar Sthiti, Pranamasana. Second, Hasta Uttasana. inhale position. Third, Hasta Padasana, exhale. Fourth, Ashwa Sanchalasana, inhale. Fifth, Chaturanga Dandasana, exhale. Position number 6, Ashtanga Namaskara, inhale. 7th position, Bhujangasana, exhale. Position number 8, Parvatasana, inhale, exhale. 9, Asva Sanchalasana, inhale. Position number 10, Hasta Padasana, exhale. Position number 11, Hasta Uttasana, inhale. Position number 12, Sthiti Tadasana. Now we'll see the benefits of Surya Namaskara. The Surya Namaskara is very powerful practice and that tremendous benefits in doing the Surya Namaskara. But you do the Surya Namaskara with bad alignment, bad postures, the same Surya Namaskara can also be very harmful your body. To make sure you do the Surya Namaskara in a right way, it is good idea to do at least 12 rounds to do Surya Namaskara. Daily one set consists of 2 rounds. However, beginners to this yoga practice, you could start with 2 to 4 rounds. Then gradually go up to as many as you can comfortably. To do even up to 108 if you can. Ideally the practice is done in set. Now the benefits of Surya Namaskara: improve blood circulation, strengthen the neck and shoulders, arms, wrist, fingers, back, stomach, waist, abdomen, intestines, thighs, knees, calves and ankle. Give the body rigorous work out, thereby reducing excess fat. Helps to tone your muscles and keep them lean and strong. Help to relax your mind and reduces anxiety, fear and restlessness. Helps to build focus and achieve inner peace and improve flexibility of the spine and limbs, improve postures and general effectiveness, improve the function of our internal organs, helps to calm your mind, giving you a good night's sleeps. So do the practice of Surya Namaskara daily at home and stay healthy. Thank you.